Want to make your inventory management smarter, faster, and less stressful? In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can set up Monday.com to track your inventory using one of their ready-made templates. By the end, you'll be confidently organizing products, supplies, or even equipment, saving yourself hours and getting a clear overview you can trust. All right, let's dive straight in. We'll start inside your Monday.com dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll spot a plus button sitting right next to your workspace list. Give that a click. This little button is your entry point for adding new boards, and it's the fastest way to build something customized in Monday.com. When you click, you'll see a few options pop up. What you want to do is select Template Center. This is where Monday.com keeps all its pre-built solutions. Think of it like a library of shortcuts. If you're new to inventory management, these templates can save you loads of time and help you avoid reinventing the wheel. Now, let's imagine you're in HR and you need to manage an inventory. Maybe it's office supplies, laptops, even furniture. In the Template Center, there's a search bar at the top. Type in Inventory Management. Monday.com will pull up a selection of templates specifically designed for different inventory needs, so you don't have to start from scratch. Scroll through the results until you spot an inventory management template that fits your scenario. For general purposes, Monday's default inventory management template is a great place to start. You can always tweak it as you go. Click Use Template, and then just hang tight for a moment while it loads. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. And here's where the magic happens. Once it loads up, the template isn't just an empty table. It's already pre-filled with example item names, quantities, locations, and tracking columns. Take a close look at the layout. You'll see categories for things like stock levels, reorder status, and notes. This gives you a kind of blueprint for how to think about your own inventory, whether you're tracking computers for new hires or art supplies for the office. Before you dive into editing, take a pause here to scan through what's already set up. Notice how the template organizes everything neatly? If you're just getting your system off the ground, this can help you spot details you might have missed if you tried to build it solo. Now, let's start personalizing. All those example rows and columns, you can change, add, or delete anything you like so the board truly fits your needs. Maybe you want to add a column for asset tags, or change location to department. Just click into any item. Monday.com makes editing super intuitive, almost like working in a spreadsheet, but way more flexible. If you need to add entirely new categories or remove ones that don't apply, that's just a couple clicks away. And don't stress if you're not sure about something. Monday.com is forgiving, and you can always come back to tweak it later. Once you've tailored the template to your business, your inventory management is officially set up and ready to go. You can use it to check stock at a glance, assign responsibilities to team members, or set up alerts when supplies run low. And that's really it. You've transformed Monday.com into an inventory system that's tailored to you, and you did it with just a few clicks and a little customization. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you're managing in your own inventory. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.